Hello, so I have a LG French door freezer and fridge combo, and I've been having issues with my ice maker going ahead and filling up with ice and over freezing and causing all kinds of issues. So typically what happens is if you go into your slim space ice system here and you go in here, I have this type, which is not what I see a lot of videos with on YouTube. And what happens is this thing probably overfills up here and you get a bunch of water and it splashes over the side, and then you get a big huge block of ice down in here, and this all fills up with water all through here, and it's just a big ice mess in here, and then it leaks, then it gets on the bottom of your fridge here, and it's just a big pain. So well, I figured out what the problem is. It's because I live here in Utah and there's a lot of hard water. So what you do is you go ahead and you take out your ice maker, and you go ahead and you take out this screw right here. You take out that screw right there, that screw there, and that screw there. And then this whole thing, just kind of slide this whole assembly unit from here up to here, kind of slides out. And then there's like a power plug back here that you're gonna have, mine's a yellow power plug. And you just have to kind of push it in and unclip it, and then you just carefully set it to the side, let it thaw out, get all the ice and junk out of it. And then what I did was I took a paper clip, and right in this area right here, this little pink thing right here, what you need to do is you just need to stick a paper clip up in there and then just gently get all the hard water deposits out of here. Because what's happening is you have hard water splashing all through up here because it's a thinned hole, and it just kind of splashes all over the place, and it gets down in here throughout the whole system, and it just gums everything up, and that's why you have issues inside, because it'll cover up this block area here. And anyway, I think if you just do that and try clearing that out, I think you won't have any issues. So let me know if that works for you. Worked for me.